In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank account using the Bank Connections menu. We'll walk through the exact clicks so you can link your account quickly and confidently. Before we begin, make sure you're on the main dashboard of the app or website and that you know the username and password you use for your online banking. First, look to the left side of your screen and click Bank Connections. This opens the secure area where you can link a financial institution. You'll see a list or a search bar. Choose your bank from this list. For example, if you use Chase Bank, select Chase to proceed. Picking the correct institution here helps ensure a smooth, secure connection to the right login portal. Next, you'll see a quick security check. Click the checkbox that says "I'm not a robot." This is a standard CAPTCHA used to verify that a real person is authorizing the connection. It only takes a moment and helps keep your account safe. After that, click Continue. You'll be brought to a confirmation screen. Click Continue again to move forward. These back-to-back prompts are normal. They're simply confirming that you want to proceed to your bank's secure sign-in page. Now you're at the login screen for your bank. Type your online banking username in the username field, and then type your password in the password field. Enter them just as you would on your bank's own website. Take a second to double check for typos, make sure caps lock isn't on, and avoid pasting from anywhere untrusted. If you're working on a shared device, consider keeping the screen private while you type. Once your username and password are entered, click Sign In. That's the final click. The system will securely pass your credentials to your bank to verify access. If the information is correct, your bank account will be connected and ready to use in the app. You should see confirmation on screen, and in many cases, your balances or transactions will begin to appear shortly. And that's all there is to it. Open Bank Connections, choose your bank, like Chase, complete the "I'm not a robot" check, continue through the confirmations, enter your username and password, and click Sign In. Follow these steps exactly, and you'll have your bank linked in just a couple of minutes. As a best practice, make sure you're on a trusted network and only enter your credentials on pages you recognize from your bank. If anything looks unfamiliar, pause and double check the address bar before proceeding.